Hi, and welcome to Chakra UI Component of the Week. This week's component is the modal. A modal is a dialog window that sits on top of the primary content. It typically consists of an overlay and a content area that traps focus within it. Content behind the modal dialog is usually inert. To create a modal using Chakra, you'll need the following. Modal, which wraps the modal overlay and the modal content. Modal overlay, which is the semi-transparent overlay that goes behind the main content. The modal content is the main content area of the modal. It can contain a header, a close button, a body, and a footer. The modal component comes in 6 different sizes. To change the size of the modal, pass the size prop and set its value to extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, or full. Adding a smooth entry and exit transition makes the modal pop. By default, modal comes with a scale transition, but you can change it by passing the motion preset prop and setting its value to slide in bottom, slide in right, scale, or none. You can change the behavior of the modal. For example, you can make the modal stay visible when the overlay is clicked, or allow scrolling when the modal shows up. To prevent the modal from closing when you click the overlay, pass the close on overlay click prop and set it to false. By default, when the modal dialog is visible, scrolling is blocked. This behavior is a recommended accessibility practice, but if you need to allow scrolling behind the modal, pass the block scroll on mount prop and set it to false. To learn more about handling modal behavior, accessibility, modal best practices, and more, head over to chakraui.com.